Hi, I'm Dr. Yo, and I'm excited because today, the fourth day of September 2020, we are concluding this summer's Common App Boot Camp season. So these two students have a very exciting announcement.
Hi, I'm Zach Aiello, and my Common App is done.
Yay! Woo!
Hi, I'm Jack Shervico, and my Common App is done. All you single ladies out there, give me a call.
Well done. Thank you guys. Check to the mail. Let me say this, no more boot camps this summer, but I am happy to help you in a very similar program called the Common App Workshop, which instead of running 5 consecutive days, since we're back to school, runs 4 consecutive weekends, 4 hours a weekend, and we go through the entire Common App soup to nuts. You can read more about it at collegeprepexpress.com. Click admissions, Common App Workshop. Thank you, guys.